Most people are about to get fired and they don't even know it. See, AI is not coming to take your job. It's already here, and if you don't adapt fast, you're going to be left struggling. But here's the good news. If you're able to use AI tools the right way, you can make a lot of money. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. Look, here's the truth people aren't telling you. Companies aren't laying off people because they are broke. They are laying off people because AI does the same job cheaper, faster, and with zero complaints. We're already seeing it happen. Customer service, AI chatbots, content writing, AI generators, data analysis, AI does it in seconds, financial market analysis, AI trading softwares. Even coders, video editors, and designers are starting to feel the heat. So what's the solution? How do you make sure you're not the one being replaced? You do what smart people always do. Stop competing with AI and start using AI to make money instead. There are 3 main steps to do this. Step 1. Start learning how AI makes money and not just how it works. See, most people are focusing on the wrong things. They're asking, will AI take my job? Instead of asking, how can I use AI to build my own passive income stream? Think about this. Every time technology has killed jobs, it actually created new ones, and AI is no different. So the people who learn how to use AI as a tool and not a threat are the ones who are going to thrive. Step 2. Find the right AI-powered income stream. There are lots of ways to start making money today with AI, but I'll give you 3 simple ways that you can start making money without any experience. 1. AI-powered freelancing. See, businesses need AI-driven solutions, but most don't know how to use them. You can charge a fee for AI-powered solutions or services like content creation, video editing, automation creation, and a whole bunch of things. 2. AI automation for passive income. The real money isn't in working harder, it's in setting up systems that work for you. AI automation in business, investing, and marketing can literally make you money while you sleep. 3. AI-based affiliate marketing. You don't need to create your own AI software to make money. You can promote existing AI tools and earn money every time someone signs up. The best part is AI can automate your sales. Step 3. Move before the window closes. Listen, AI is still new, which means there's a gold rush happening right now. The people who start using AI to make money today will be ahead of 99% of the people who will be stuck in the old system. And in a few years, AI will be everywhere. And that's easy money, it'll be gone. So start now. So the question is, are you someone who's going to get replaced by AI, or are you going to profit from this AI revolution? If you want me to break down how you can successfully set up AI automation to make money while you sleep, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also put on notifications so you don't miss my next video.